State Bank of India's numbers, we have a profit after tax figure that has come in at 4,189 crore rupees versus 2,312 crore rupees. So it's a 190 odd crore rupee beat that has come in. Not bad, almost a 5% beat from what we were expecting the number to come in at. This one definitely has managed to beat expectations. On the NII front as well, not bad at all. 26,641 crore rupees versus 24,500 crore rupees. The ET Now poll that pegged the figure at 24,500 crore rupees, but the company has delivered 641 crore rupees. So that as well has come in about. But more importantly, it's going to be the provision figure that will be watched out for. I have a provision figure which has come in at 12,501 crore rupees, a slight dip compared to the previous quarter, wherein the provision figure stood at a little under 13,500 crore rupees. Gross NPA has come in at 5.44%. Again, compressed a little bit from the previous quarter, as has been the case with the net NPA as well. My colleague Varun Hirema joins in, and Varun, at this point of time, I don't see any cause for complaint in SBI's numbers.
Right, Mabina. Well, I'm just also looking for the moratorium figure, although that's, I guess, also pretty irrelevant. SBI started with a pretty low moratorium figure of less than 20. The profit is well above the ET Now estimate at nearly 4,200 versus our 4,000 crore estimate. And that's healthy. The NII is also significantly above our estimate of 24,500, coming in at 26,641. So it's a beat on that front. Now, if you look at the fact that the provisions are pretty stable Q on Q, there's not been a large spike, so that shows that the COVID provisioning will continue, but there's not been any significant uptick from Q4 to Q1, which is the case what we saw with, for example, an ICICI Bank, which hiked its COVID provision to 5,500 versus 3,000 earlier. So we'll be looking out to see what the exact COVID provision is, but the pre-provision profit as well, and this is something to look out for, 16,521. Our poll definitely had a lower figure over there, so it's a beat on that front as well. Now let's remember, in Q1 what was missing for most banks was that your other income and your fee income was significantly lower. So if you look at the other income figure for SBI, Q on Q, it's come down to 7,957 versus 13,446 last quarter. Yet the profits have held up pretty well. So if this other income was at a usual stable level, even if you look at it in a YOY basis, it was 8,000 crore plus last year. So if it was slightly higher, that could have increased the beat on the overall result. It could have been much higher, and that should probably now pick up in Q2, Q3 once your branches and all are open. So pretty decent numbers on the face of it, and that's all I have for you right now.